Once again, welcome back all programmers. In the last program, we have seen how to add two integers. Okay, how to make sum, difference, product, remainder of two integers. In this one, we will make that same program, but we are not going to use integer, but we are going to use floating values. Do you know what is floating values? Which are having decimals. Okay, 22.5, 36.7, like that. Right, so that same program will be there, but we are going to change our integer value to floating value. How we can do so? Let's see. For that, again, we are going to use x equal to on variable, and instead of this integer, see, I am going to take here input. See, input. Then I am going to have a prompt here. You see, enter the value of x. Okay, so this is my prompt, but this input command is going to bring everything me in form of characters or a string. Okay, so we need to convert this one to float. So I'm going to write here float, float. So now my contents will be my input will be converted to floating point, so I can easily input decimal parts. That same thing I'm going to do. Y equal to, I'm writing here float. Okay, then I am writing here input command, and then we are going to have a prompt here. I'm writing here enter the value of y. Okay, done. So we have taken two input in form of floating values. Okay, decimal values. Then we are going to have a sum equal to, I'm writing here x plus y, same as the last one. Difference is equal to, I am going to write here x minus y. Then I am going to write here product is equal to x into y. Then I'm going to write here then quotient is coming, q1 is equal to, I'm writing x mod 1. Now you are better knowing what is this two type of quotient, x floor y, right? So this we've done. Now we are going to make a printout accordingly. So I am going to make a printout. I'm going to write here print. Then I am going to write here that same thing, uh, sum of, then I'm writing here x, then I am going to make here and, then y value will come, then I'm going to write here is, then value is going to come, it is coming from s, right? So this is the same thing I am going to make here again, and instead of sum I am going to make a difference. I am going to write here difference of x and y is, and the value coming is from what, d. Okay, then again same thing you are going to write, and here product is coming. You see, product of x and y is coming from p. You see, it is coming from p. Okay, then again I am going back here, again quotient. So quotient 1 I am writing here, quotient 1 full. Okay, so it is going to come here from q1. I am writing here q1. Then again I am going to write here quotient 2, quotient 2 of x and y is q2. See, I'm writing here q2. Okay, done. So this is a simple program for making arithmetic calculations for floating values. Now let's run this program. So I'm going to go to the run command, and I'm going to run the module. It is asking me to save, so I'm going to save here sum of x and y. I am writing a float. Okay, so I can be able to see. So it is asking me enter the value of x. So I am going to put here floating values. Floating values is what, 56 point, let's suppose I'm going to write here 8. Okay, now I'm going to put here 2.5. See what I'm going to do. So accordingly you see all are having points, decimal values. So in order to calculate this type of decimals, this type of floating values, we are going to use float, F-L-O-A-T, as a data converter. Is it data conversion? We are going to convert all the input taken by input command to its floating value, right? Okay, so this is the program you can go through. Very simple, very easy to write. Python is very easy. Try it.